Hello YouTube. I wanted to do a silly little video about what's inside of a beer tap. I mean, I've never had the opportunity to see one before until now. Like, so how does it work? This part attaches to the, to the system. It's serrated. I don't know if you can see that. There's serrades in here with a seal. This is what makes the seal. It goes in there. This is the top, which holds, the head. So you take this out first, and then there's some seals inside here. If I unscrew this quick to show you, there's a seal here, kind of like a bushing, and a seal behind the bushing. So I know it's kind of hard to see here. So this is what makes the tap handle or the actuator. But what happened here was this one broke. A piece came off of this that was attached to the end here. You can see that. Yeah, it was kind of attached like that. Okay. And what this did was there's a plunger inside here that comes out. So that goes right in the slot here, that little actuator, which pushes or pulls this forward, and this is what makes the seal right here. This little rubber ring here. It pushes against the back side of this unit. So, like when you open the beer, this thing would come forward, kind of like that. It comes forward when you open the handle, and then I said that's what makes the seal right there. There's no springs in it. I was really surprised. I thought there'd be a spring in this device, but yeah, there's nothing like that inside. So yeah, that's just my stupid little video. I wanted to show you what the inside of a beer tap looks like, and that's it. It's all made out of brass. That's the reason I took it. I'll add it to my brass collection after I take off all the little rubber pieces and stuff that I don't need. And this just comes off too. Yeah, and that's it. That's the whole unit. Not much to it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. See you all again later. Bye-bye.